SolidWorks Inspection is a simple-to-use, easy-to-learn quality control solution that helps streamline the creation of inspection documentation. Working within a SolidWorks drawing, all of the intelligent information required for inspection can be utilized, including geometric tolerances, dimensions already marked with an inspection circle, plus many more. New projects can be defined with just a few simple clicks. SolidWorks Inspection instantly recognizes and extracts part numbers, names, revisions, notes, and other critical information from your drawing. Next, set the extraction settings to include critical inspection dimensions or other basic and reference measurements marked by the designer. SolidWorks will then automatically balloon all the required information in a matter of seconds. Additional quality process information can be added to ballooned items, and if any changes are made to the overall dimension scheme, SolidWorks Inspection seamlessly updates the balloons, saving you valuable time and effort. Once all the required drawing information has been captured, you can automatically generate a first article inspection report using a variety of industry standards or one specific to your organization, ready to be utilized by quality control as final inspection documentation. For customers who need added flexibility working with PDFs, TIFFs, or scanned documents from other CAD packages, the SolidWorks Inspection standalone application is included. Advanced optical character recognition seamlessly extracts critical information from embedded attributes. Simply select the object and SolidWorks Inspection intelligently comprehends nominal dimensions, tolerances, GD&T, welds, and surface finish information directly from printed dimensions. As balloon drawings become more complex, SolidWorks Inspection streamlines the task of locating tagged characteristics. Entering inspection results can often be a time-consuming task. SolidWorks Inspection simplifies the entry of test results and color codes the information for immediate comparison. For customers who use digital calipers or need to import coordinate measuring machine results, SolidWorks Inspection Professional automates the importing of measurement data directly into inspection reports, streamlining the process, significantly reducing the risk of data translation errors and inconsistencies. Many companies use online quality systems to analyze process capability and track supply chain. Using SolidWorks Inspection, you can export your inspection report directly to online quality systems, providing a fast and direct method of making your SolidWorks inspection project information available to other areas of your business and external partners. Using SolidWorks Inspection, balloon drawings and first article inspection reports can be created in minutes instead of hours, reducing your overall product development time, improving quality, and enabling your engineers to spend more time on design and innovation.